are Cinderella, Nobody's Fool, which I really like this song. It was kind of hard for me to put that one up because it's going to be hard to ever find that sleeve again.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back. Why? I sure glad you did. Well, sold on eBay yesterday. First thing I sold, I already packed it. I'll put the comp up. Highwayman with Waylon Jennings, Merle Haggard, Willie Nelson, and Chris Christopherson. I got lots of offers on it, and so I just kind of left it because it was only $7.81 or something like that, which is still a good price for $145. And I turned down quite a few. One was from Canada, and I'm like, I just don't want to mess with GPS. Getting there, and they're going to tell me it doesn't play right. Although all these are just perfect 45s. Anyway, someone finally bought it for $7.81 full price. Next one I sold was Prince. There's 3 different ones. Grand Slam. I can't remember them all. 3 sold for $12.81. And the next one is Alice Cooper. It is $1 Billion Babies. Not even sure what that's about. I believe it sold for around $7. This is Kiss, Tears Are Falling. And I had it for I think $7.81, and someone sent me an offer of $5, and I just took it. And then these two and these two were bought by the same person, which is nice. I can combine the shipping and then put it in the same container. And then the next two that sold are Cinderella, Nobody's Fool, which I really like this song. It was kind of hard for me to put that one up because it's going to be hard to ever find that sleeve again. And the sleeve's in probably 8 out of 10. And so it's a good song. Oh, wait, never mind. Sleeve is not. That's right. I put on there too. The sleeve was in fair condition because in the back it got ripped. But the front is super cool. But Nobody's Fool, great song. And they also bought White Snake. And, you know, this one was iconic in the 80s. Here I Go Again. It had the real pretty model that was on the car, just all over the place, like it's flipping her hair around. Every young boy that was teenagers back then remembers this song. What was her name? Leonie or she had like red hair. She was real pretty. Anyway, this one sold like $13. That was a good deal. I knew it would sell for that much because it's having the original sleeve, which you can't find very many of those on eBay. And so I sold 6 45s. It just kind of shows you that there's not a lot of 45s out there. There's quite a bit of demand because they're selling really quick if I have them priced right. And I've got many more to put up, so you're gonna get sick of seeing me. But this, I mean, it's just so easy to store, easy to ship. But hope everybody has a great New Year's, and grind on, friends.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.